Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Royal Blue Confetti Balloons is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching decorations you can add to any celebration, instantly transforming a space with a touch of elegance and fun, making them a must-have for birthdays, weddings, graduations, or any event where you want to create a memorable atmosphere and impress your guests with a sophisticated yet playful touch. Number 5. OuMuaMua 62 PCS Blue Silver White Confetti Balloons Kit. This comprehensive kit includes 62 balloons in royal blue, baby blue, metallic silver, and white, along with confetti balloons and ribbon. Everything you need for a stunning celebration is right here. Crafted from high-quality, biodegradable latex, these balloons are thick and durable. They are non-toxic and the scent dissipates quickly, ensuring a safe and pleasant experience. Perfect for a wide range of events, including birthdays, graduations, baby showers, and anniversaries. Use them indoors or outdoors to create a memorable backdrop for photos. Achieve a beautiful effect by rubbing the inflated balloons on hair or fabric to make the confetti cling to the sides. For extra fun, pop them to release the confetti. These balloons arrive flat and are ready to be filled with either helium or air. They are designed to be easily inflated for your convenience. We are committed to providing excellent products and customer service. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us for a satisfactory solution. What we like. This pack offers a great variety of colors and confetti for a dynamic look. If you're looking for a complete set with multiple shades and fun confetti elements, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for birthdays, baby showers, or graduations where you want a visually engaging balloon display. What people say. Balloons blew up to be big and high quality with no popping issues. Easy to inflate and tie. The balloons are thick, durable, and easy to inflate, and they held up really well throughout my daughter's birthday. 10 longest lasting balloons in history. Remained inflated for over a month. Great quality. Easy to work with. Number 4. PartyWoo Royal Blue Balloons 101 PCS. Introducing our stunning collection of 101 Royal Blue Balloons. Their solid, consistent color brings vibrant energy to any celebration. Crafted from thick, high-quality latex, these balloons stay full longer. They are perfect for creating eye-catching arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of events. Use them for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, graduations, and more to add a special touch. Fill them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or with helium for a 3 to 6 hour float. For best results, fill with helium just before your event. Ensure your party decorations are perfect from start to finish. These balloons are designed to make your special occasions unforgettable. While they are durable, please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, or sharp objects. Inflate them to your desired size for a beautiful display. What we like. This option provides an impressive quantity of balloons in a single, vibrant shade. If you need a large number of balloons for a significant event or want a uniform color scheme, this is the perfect fit. It's excellent for creating balloon arches or garlands for weddings, birthdays, or gender reveals. What people say. The size is truly giant and makes such a big visual impact, exactly what we needed. The quality is outstanding. The latex feels thick and durable, not flimsy at all. They held up for days. We had to manually pop them. Number 3. SUWEN Metallic Blue Balloons and Confetti Balloon Set. Get everything you need in this 47-piece set, including metallic blue and confetti balloons, a garland strip, dot glue, and ribbon. It's perfect for creating stunning balloon arrangements for your event. Elevate your birthday, graduation, baby shower, or wedding with these versatile decorations. They serve as fantastic photo props, adding a festive touch to any backdrop. Inflate balloons slowly to about 90% capacity to ensure they are fully rounded and prevent bursting. Keep them in a cool place before use to maintain their shine. Crafted from eco-friendly, biodegradable natural latex, these balloons are thick, stretchy, and boast a shiny, durable surface that resists popping. We are committed to providing excellent products and service. If you encounter any issues, please contact us through Amazon, and we'll be happy to assist you. What we like. This set combines the shine of metallic balloons with the fun of confetti. If you want a touch of glamour and sparkle for your party, this is the one to consider. It's great for adding a sophisticated yet festive feel to birthday parties, graduations, or any celebration where you want a bit of bling. What people say. They came just as described. They made for a beautiful surprise date night. Loved these balloons. They stay full and inflated for days. Very happy with the color, lasted shiny for 10 hours, and next day would buy again, looked great at my party. Number 2. PartyWoo 22-inch Royal Blue 4D Foil Balloons. Introducing our stunning 22-inch Royal Blue Foil Balloons. These large, eye-catching decorations are designed to make any celebration truly special. Each package includes 6 of these magnificent 4D balloons, along with a straw and ribbon. They are perfect for adding a vibrant touch to birthdays, graduations, and weddings. Crafted from top-quality foil and mylar, these balloons boast brilliant, long-lasting colors. They are ideal for a variety of events, including men's birthdays and baby showers. Our large balloons are incredibly durable and hold their shape well, ensuring your party remains perfect from start to finish. They are built to last through any celebration. Setting up is a breeze with these balloons. They inflate easily with standard pumps and deflate just as simply for future use. Save time and effort on your party preparations. From graduations and birthdays to space or dog-themed parties, these versatile balloons are the ideal choice. Make your event unforgettable and full of life. What we like. These large, round foil balloons offer a striking, reflective surface. If you're aiming for a bold, modern statement piece or a unique visual element, these are ideal. They are perfect for themed parties like space, gaming, or even sports events, adding a dramatic flair. What people say. The colors are bright, shiny, and look stunning on my Christmas tree. The quality is excellent, thick, durable, and they stayed fully inflated the entire time. At 32 inches, they're impressively large and make a bold statement for birthdays, graduations, Halloween, or anniversaries. Number 1. PartyWoo Royal Blue Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning Royal Blue Balloon Kit, perfect for any celebration. This pack offers a variety of sizes to create a beautiful balloon arch. You'll receive a total of 127 balloons in various sizes, from 36 inches down to 5 inches. They are made from thick, durable latex to ensure they stay inflated longer. When filled with air, these balloons can stay full for up to 72 hours. They are designed for quick inflation, making setup a breeze for your event. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of occasions, including birthdays, baby showers, graduations, and weddings. They add a touch of elegance to any party decor. Use them to craft stunning balloon arches, garlands, or centerpieces. They are sure to make your special event unforgettable. Please avoid overfilling, prolonged sun exposure, or sharp objects. Inflate them to your desired size for the best decorative effect. What we like. This comprehensive pack includes balloons in various sizes, perfect for creating stunning balloon arrangements. If you're planning to build a detailed balloon arch or garland, this kit has you covered. It's excellent for events where you want a professional, multidimensional balloon display, such as baby showers or graduations. What people say. The pack includes a great variety of sizes, which made it easy to create a beautiful, layered balloon display. They're vibrant, durable, and held air really well. You can blow the balloons up days ahead and they still look amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.